Hello everyone, today I'm teaching you how to install the motherboard. So as I said previously in the last video I say I don't want to take out my motherboard because there's too many wire in and everything is kind of messed up if I take everything out. So I just want to talk about how to install it. I'm not actually doing it. So to install it, everything you need is a screwdriver and the manual guide. So you want to screw everything in on the case and stable it, and those little wires you need to read your manual guide to know where to put it and which one is which, everything like that. So in next video I will do how to install a CPU, and this video is about how to install the motherboard.